Hello everyone, this is Muhammad from Ridz Creations, and today we will talk about the card widget of Flutter. So guys, I already created a default project here, and then need to set a body, and body should be in the center, and then child, and then we set a card. This is the card. So we'll set the child like icon, icons dot uh, like this, and we'll set the size like 100. So guys, you can see the card like this, and I will keep some padding here. Padding. Okay, fine. So in the card property there is some color like colors not should be a red, and the icon color should be white. White. And we can also give the elevation like 20 for better appearance, and we will set the shadow color like should be like black. uh, Black is not actually not showing properly, so we'll set like this so it will reflect some color. So guys, this is a card in the Flutter, so we can use create uh, some elevations, some we will provide some animation, some colors effects in this widget. So follow my channel and subscribe my channel. Bye.